New court documents just into our newsroom are giving us new details that prosecutors have in their bid to keep former Kansas City, Kansas detective Roger Golubski behind bars.
The FBI arrested him on Thursday on federal charges related to sexually assaulting two women and then using his authority as a police officer to violate their civil rights. But as part of the government's argument to keep Golubski in jail before his trial, it mentioned 7 other victims over roughly 20 years' time. It says Golubski coerced victims to have sex with him, threatened violence or legal trouble for those victims if their loved ones if they refused.
Legal experts say they expect new victims like the ones that we just learned about tonight will keep coming forward as this case progresses. So now advocates are calling for special processes to try to undo what could be decades of bad deeds in hundreds more cases. A surprise FBI arrest Thursday brought renewed faith for Eric Calvin, whose brother John has been locked up for 2 decades, Eric says, because of Roger Golubski.
We hoping something change soon. We know with this, something is going to change soon, and when God's will, it's going to happen.
Defense attorney David Grumman, not directly involved in any of these cases, says if inmates in prison because of Detective Golubski's work haven't already started their legal battles like Eric's brother, they should start now.
His work is now completely in doubt, and we have every reason to believe that Lamont McIntyre is not the only person who is wrongfully incarcerated and wrongfully convicted.
But if they're exonerated, recovering damages from time behind bars is another challenge. 30 years of police work means a lot of any allegations of wrongdoing happened a long time ago, and the legal system may not be able to do anything about it.
Right now, the statute of limitations is going to be a kind of ugly shield that the people who were paying Roger Golubski all those years can hide behind and avoid accountability.
That's why Grumman says he imagines lawyers will push for the statute of limitations to either be delayed
or, as a matter of policy by some party like the unified government, maybe needs to be waived or stipulated that it doesn't start running until, say yesterday when Detective Golubski was arrested.
He also thinks it would make sense for the unified government or an outside body to set up a panel to review the complaints that will likely come in. We called and emailed the KCK Police Department, Wyandotte County Commissioners, KCK's mayor, and the district attorney's office this afternoon. We only heard back from the police, who say it's still much too early to comment on a move like this one, which still isn't a shock to David.
The news is fresh, and there's going to be a lot more discussion about this in the days and weeks to come.
Until then, Eric and his brother are celebrating what they can.
For him to hear the news, he was just overwhelmed, and he know good things is coming his way.
So the district attorney's office does have a community integrity fund, which is intended to try to help people clear their record. Budget documents suggest it's funded and staffed, but since it launched a few years ago, only one person has been exonerated through it.